This video is about getting rid of the scary alerts that are related to the site Afeta.live. This site, Afeta.live, is a deceptive and extremely dangerous site. Currently, it attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them pretty scared about the condition of their computers in order to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by Afeta.live, don't interact with them. Simply leave this page. To make sure that your computer is free of other possibly concealed infections, I do recommend that you research it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on this official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.